to Kiddokhiladi TV.
Hi, friends. I'm an alligator, and this is the letter A. Hello, everyone. B is for bear. D is for dog. The Dalmatian loves the letter D. E is for elephant. Can you say E? Look, it's the letter G. Look, sweetie, K is for kangaroo. N starts with me. A happy nightingale as you.
U is for quail, hiding in the grass. R is for rabbit, hopping fast and fast. S is for snake, sliding smoothly by. T is for tiger, with stripes that catch your eye. Is for unicorn, a magical prey from friends. V is for vulture, circling round the bend. W is for whale, singing in the blue. X is for X-ray fish that glows with a gentle glow. Y is for yak, fluffy as candy. Z is for zebra, with stripes for all to see. I is for unicorn, a magical creature.
E is for elephant. Can you say E?
Circle